I'll show you 3 mistakes to avoid if you want to make money online as a beginner and the 3 features of an underrated platform that's helping make $2 million per month for Lisa Brown. It's 100% beginner friendly and it takes 5 to 10 minutes of your time to follow the simple steps. Franklin Hatchett made this video 2 days ago about how to make money online right now as a beginner in 2022 step by step. As you can see, this video has got around 9,000 views and has got a lot of likes. So it seems that the video is perfect for beginners to make money with. Frank started with a screenshot of his 10,000 New Zealand dollars income. I have watched the full video, every step. It's a great video, simple and actionable advice, but it has 3 big issues that made the whole content questionable. And I want to hear your thoughts as well. Feel free to share your thoughts in the comment below. In the next moment, I'm going to share whether Frank's video is a terrible idea or it's perfect for beginners. And before that, I will appreciate a like and share this video with your friends, family, social media contacts. And of course, please subscribe to our channel, switch on the notification bell button if you haven't yet. I'm going to share the details of this video so you can decide whether it's fit for you or not. I will also show you how Lisa Brown, who works for a popular software company, is using an underrated platform to make money. More correctly, Lisa uses a boring platform to make $2 million per month for her company. Wait, Mosh, how do you know she makes $2 million per month? Well, I know because we make money online as well, and here you see one of our Warrior Plus accounts and $44,858 in passive affiliate commissions. So we really know how it works, and I'm about to share with you 2 variables, variable number 1 and variable number 2, that determine how much money we make. This one determines how much money we make, and this variable determines how much more money we make. Stay tuned, I will reveal these 2, connect the dots for you, and you will be able to make money as well. And you will clearly understand why I said Lisa Brown makes $2 million per month for her company. Lisa works for a famous, very popular video creation software company, Wondershare, which gets 5.2 million visitors per month. And from our experience, we make $1 to $3 per visitor, so apparently it's a $5 million to $15 million per month company. By the way, full disclosure, this is an assumption. It can be more, it can be less, but it's a lot of money, right? Okay, let's go back to Frank's video. In a nutshell, Frank says that you can get your affiliate link from ClickBank. Just go to ClickBank, log into your free account, go to Marketplace, decide which product you want to promote. Well, basically, high gravity products are what you want to promote. Click the promote link, click this create hop link button, and this is your affiliate link. Just copy this link and paste it. Where? Here comes the first questionable part. Frank says go to Fiverr and hire a content writer, like an article writer, and get a review article written for the product you want to promote. Then you hire another Fiverr to publish that article on high traffic blogs that allow featured content. Make sure to embed your affiliate link that you just collected from ClickBank inside your content. If your article is published in websites like US Magazine, your content will get exposure to website visitors, like millions of visitors. And this way, you will get free traffic, clicks, and affiliate sales. In theory, the process is correct. But in real life, there are 3 huge problems in this system. Number 1, this is expensive. Content creation is expensive, and content submission is expensive as well. If you get cheap content and cheap submission service, your content will be low and will be submitted to low traffic websites. You will get no traffic and you will make no money. And the second problem is it's scary for beginners to invest money upfront on content and publishing, while beginners have zero experience on how the sales process works, what's copywriting, what's compelling content. So there is no guarantee that your content will get you sales. And the final problem, the problem number 3, is if you publish your content on other people's website, you are making no asset. If they decide to remove your content, you will lose all your traffic and all your money. So what's the solution? The solution is first publish your content in your own website. Wait, Mosh, website creation is boring. Content creation is boring. Everyone hates making websites and everyone hates writing contents. But hey, I have a good news for you. We built a software called Maven. Maven solves that problem completely. We made Maven for ourselves. With Maven, you copy any URL, put it in a box, and the application turns it into your content, your website completely legally using AI. Maven is our software and it's free to start. Link is in the description. You can go grab it anytime you want. I'll give you more details about Maven in the later part of the video. Okay, I'm assuming that you got Maven, so content creation and website creation is easy for you. It's just literally one click. But this will not make you money until you follow Lisa Brown and her 3 steps. Lisa uses a website that has 812 million monthly visitors, and 70% of their visitors come from search engines. So basically, Lisa uses a clever way to get search engine traffic for free, 100% beginner friendly, and no upfront investment required. Before I tell you what the website is about, Lisa uses 3 features of that website to help people get answers to their questions. Well, by now you probably understood the website name is Quora.com. Quora is a platform where people ask questions, get answers, post contents, answer other people's questions, and this way they get exposure to millions of buyers just like Lisa gets. Lisa has got 2 million content views in this month alone. And this is the time to reveal one of the variables that make us money, and it's called hops or traffic. Traffic or visitors are the customers who buy from us. This make us money, but the second variable that I'm about to reveal in a moment make us more money. And this is exactly what Lisa uses to make more money for her company. So the number 1 feature of Quora.com that Lisa uses is her profile. The first sentence of her profile is her company website link. So anyone wants to look who she is, what she does, they get to know about her company website. Next, her profile states that she is a professional and a helpful person. Now she goes on and uses the spaces feature of Quora to post valuable contents in those spaces. Spaces are like groups on Facebook. For example, this is a space that is about YouTube and they have 51,000 followers. So any post in this space will get exposure to 51,000 followers and more. Organic visitors, even if they're not part of this space. Here is an example where Lisa posted in a space called technology, and she talked about how do I trim a video in iMovie. This is about another software, but it's a helpful content that got exposed to hundreds of visitors and followers of this space. And the third feature Lisa uses is called answers, answering other people's questions. Example, she answered a question about what is the best way to record Minecraft, and the first sentence has got a link to her company website. So although it seems that only 14 views this answer has got, but all these views add up. They are all visitors, and you can see they all make money. Lisa uses a little bit of text content and screenshots. This gesture and style makes her content helpful. When you use helpful content, your conversion increases. And this is the second secret variable of our income. So let's summarize it. Go to Quora and build a profile. Before we join Quora, get Maven, link is in the description. It will help you make your website without writing a content, using other people's content in just a couple of minutes. Link your website in your profile so people can find your link. Maven is free to start, link is in the description, go grab it. Then answer other people's questions related to your niche so people find you helpful and know you as an expert in your niche. Join the spaces in your niche and post valuable contents in those spaces. You will get exposure to thousands and gradually millions of people. They will buy from you and you will make money. Here is a warning. In Quora, don't use direct affiliate links in your posts or your contents. Put your affiliate links in the contents of your website. Of course, you can use Maven. It's free to start. It takes only a few minutes to make contents and websites. Link is in the description. You can go grab it right now or later if you want. Let us make an awesome Magic Mouse article using our software Maven. First, click the Add Blog button. Copy the URL address or the link of the content we want to hijack from, paste it here, click Create button. And the whole content is loaded. Boom. Add a blog title. Let's first change the blog image. Click Upload and select one of the images we have in our hard drive, and the image is changed. Let's format the text to match our taste a little bit, make it bold. Select this text and make it italic to look nicer. Let's put this part of the text in the center. I'm just showing you what's possible to do with Maven. Now select this text and add a link. Let's consider this is our affiliate link, just for an example. Select this URL or the link and paste it right here and make it open a new window. Just one click and the link is added. This is the link that will make us money. Let's change this text into headline 3. Looks good. Click the save button when we are happy with the formatting. Now the full content is loaded here in the left side, but this is not our content, and that's why we are using this yellow button to use our artificial intelligence to rewrite the whole content and make it ours. And now everything you see is unique and it's ours. We can use it as our own, and you can add more elements by clicking this plus button and add elements from here. Let's add a video. Click on this button, copy the URL of this video and paste it here. Then select the place where you want to add the video, click the add button, and the video is added inside the content. Super cool, right? Let's add some more image, and this time we want to use Google CC. No, I changed my mind. Let's use Pixabay. Click Pixabay button and search with your search string. In this case, we're gonna put Apple Magic Mouse and click search. We have all these different options automatically, 100% free images, just one click and the image is added inside the content. Why not add another image to make it nicer using Google CC? Search with Apple Magic Mouse. Click the search button. All these options, all these images are 100% free to use. Click any of them, your choice, and add it. Whenever you are happy with the content, click the save button and it's saved. Now this section is completely optional, but this is good for search engine optimization. Fill in this form with relevant information. Click any of these two buttons. We want to publish right now, and it's published. It's done. To check the content, click this view button, and here is your beautiful article created in under 3 minutes without writing a single content. You can always go back and edit as you wish. But link your website or your website content into Quora posts, not direct affiliate link, because if you do, Quora's algorithm will delete your content. And if you do it multiple times, you may lose your account. That's it. Don't forget to grab Maven and all other softwares. Start free. Link is in the description. Did you like our video? We put a lot of effort on it so you learn how to make money online the easy way, the fast way, and the fun way. Hit the like button, share this video with your friends, family, social media contacts so everyone else learns how to make money online. They will love you, they will follow you, and eventually they will become your customers and clients. This is how we make money online, and you can do it too. Subscribe to our channel, switch on the notification bell button. YouTube will notify you when we will upload our next money making video, and we will see you in the next one.